how to check transaction history on Upwork. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can check transactions history on Upwork. So kindly follow through to the end. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account. Once you're logged in and you're on the Upwork page, next to the Upwork logo by the top left corner, you would see a tab showcasing find work. The next to it, you'll see my jobs, then report, and then messages. Ensure you click on report. Once you click on report, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see options like overview, my reports, billings and earnings, connect history, then transaction history. So just click on it that way. After clicking on transaction history, you would see you'll be taken to your transaction history page. On this page, you'll see your balance, you'll see statement period, and then you'll see all of your transactions here. And then if you want to download invoices, you can click on invoices. If you want to download the CSV, you can do that as well. You can check out all of the transactions. You can check out the transaction category such as all transactions, all debit, hourly, etc. etc. So this is basically how you can check your transaction history on Upwork. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.